Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering everything: the old phone with Authenticator, any exported QR images, printed backup codes, and the new phone with Google Authenticator installed. Once done, unlock the old device and open Authenticator so you can view each account entry. Make sure account recovery emails are accessible. Some sites use email verification during transfer. If you have an exported JSON or QR archive, move it off device to a secure temporary folder. This primes you for the next technical steps. Now perform the actual transfer. Use Authenticator's export feature if present to create a QR bundle. Scan it with your new phone. If export is unavailable, open each account in its service settings, reveal the secret key, and add it manually to the new Authenticator by entering the key or scanning its QR. For services without direct transfer, temporarily disable two-factor, then re-enable it on the new device to generate fresh codes. Throughout, verify each added account by using a test login or one-time code. Finish by verifying every account. Log in and enter codes from the new device to confirm success, then revoke the old device's access where possible. Once confirmed, securely store backup codes and delete any temporary files created during transfer. If a code fails, do not panic. Use the service's printed backup codes or go through the account recovery process. Sometimes time drift requires syncing device clock to network time. If all else fails, contact support with proof of identity and follow their account recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.